fat man. I swear to God. I feel like O.J. Simpson. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is the newest and latest project from the shovelheadffej. It's my newest project. It's something that you guys haven't seen before. But before I show you my project, I need to advise you, number one, according to the rules of YouTube, I am a professional stuntman. I am trained. Please don't try this. Please don't even attempt to do this. If you're squeamish, turn away. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, I give you That's right, baby. 2 wheels, American made. yourself, hey Fej, I thought you were like a cool biker dude. What's with the get-up? Well, the get-up is, I live in Florida, man. It's like 90-something degrees and 100% humidity, and it is hot. And I'm fixing to go mow the lawn or mow the pasture. So anyway, and then after that, I'm going fishing. This is a 1940-ish, 1950-ish Cushman. I have no idea. I know nothing about Cushmans, other than they're two wheels. They were made in the USA. And when I was a kid, I borrowed one of these one time, and didn't tell my neighbor, got in a little bit of trouble. But anyway, if you're a Cushman expert, leave a comment in the, or leave something in the comment, because I don't know. I have no idea what year it is. From what I understand, I can get it titled. I don't have a title for it. It's one of those deals. But anyway, I do have a bill of sale, and it was legally bought. And I'm going to fix it up. I'm going to get a title for it. I'm going to get a tag for it. I'm going to make it street legal. I believe everything from what I understand, I can make it street legal. I'm going to make it street legal. And then I'm going to go for a ride, a very long ride. I think I might even build a little trailer to haul some fuel with me or something like that. And I was thinking, like, where could I go? Well, I could take all the back roads and get to the Dirty Shame down in Ybor City to see Shade Tree Surgeon. Or I could ride it over to the Twisted Fork, or I could really go, maybe, I don't know, ride it to the Keys or something like that. I don't know yet. But I am going to fix it up. And when I say fix it up, the motor doesn't run. It has no compression. The motor does spin over, so it's either something not too bad or something serious. Don't know. Like I said, I know nothing about Cushman motors at all. Seat sucks. Actually, it's just a metal seat. I'm gonna fix this thing up. And like I was gonna say, what I mean about fixing it up, I'm gonna leave it just the way it is, because I love rat bikes. I love patina. I love rust. I'm gonna fix it up. Let's see how far I can go on it. I think I can go pretty long. This was a little scooter back in the day. A little cool scooter. So anyway, that's a short video. Like, share, and subscribe. If my American flag offended you, well, then you can kiss my... You know what I'm saying. But anyway, like, share, and subscribe. If you would, put the word out. Of course, I always like to grow my channel. But I'm not going to grow my channel at the risk of selling myself and my time. I just like to have fun. I'm going to have fun on this. And that's it, man. Peace out. Ouch! I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.